want to talk to you about pigs with lipstick. You may have heard that expression, but it really applies today when you are a buyer and you're going out looking at houses and you walk in and you think, wow, this looks great. Everything's been updated. There's new paint, there's new this, there's new that. And I'm here to tell you, the first assistant and I have been in almost every house that's on the market in this area, and there are a lot of pigs with lipstick. And what I mean by that is, at first glance, you think, oh, this looks fabulous. And then you walk in the room, you get a little bit closer, and it's just lipstick on a pig. And I'll tell you a true story. So I was just in a house the other day. Online, the pictures, you could see, oh, they had new paint on the cabinets, they had new countertops, new backsplash, on and on. So this house hasn't sold. So I walk in, and yeah, I walk in, you see the pretties, right? When you first walk in, and then I get in the room and I get a little bit closer, and everything was done so poorly. So the cabinet paint wasn't even cabinet paint. They put one coat of paint, you could still see through it. You opened it up. I mean, the paint was a disaster. So you'd have to repaint all the cabinetry. The backsplash didn't go with everything, so that would need to be redone. The flooring was okay, but then you would look at the grout, and there was cracked grout, there was missing grout, there was grout issues. And the same thing happened when I went to the bathroom that they'd redone. The tile work was just terrible. Cracked grout, missing grout, tiles that weren't cut properly. You get the picture. So my job is to help you when you're the buyer, and when you walk in and you see all the beautiful things. I'm gonna look just a little bit closer and say, okay, it's pretty, but here's what's going on. Or you may have the case where they did the remodeling features well, but they haven't done a whole lot of the major items, like how old is the water heater? How old is the roof? What about the fence? What about the HVAC units, those big ticket items? So at the end of the day, you as the buyer get to choose which house is right for you and your family. But I'm here to be the advocate for you and to point out these things so that you can make the best educated decision, that you don't overpay for a house that has all these issues. Or if you do pay top dollar for something, you know going in, okay, we're going to be here a while and we may need to redo some things. So it's always a balancing act, but my job is to make you the most informed buyer so you can make the best decision on this major decision of your life. So don't be fooled by pigs with lipstick. Talk to you soon.